talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh, I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Yes, indeed. Feeling irie. Haha. Let's talk. What we talking about? Y'all already know the Postal Service announces 5 more PNDCs to be consolidated. What's new about this? Nothing, except for the different places. And my thing is to just share some information with you. Let's talk, baby. Postal Service has informed the unions and management associations of its intent to conduct mail processing facility reviews at 5 more locations. What locations, you say? Good question. Buffalo, New York, into Rochester, New York. South Charleston, West Virginia, PNDC, into Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, PNDC, and Warrendale, Pennsylvania, PNDC. Eastern Maine, Hampton, Maine, PNDC, into Scarborough, Maine, PNDC. Fort Myers, Florida, PNDC, into Tampa, Florida, PNDC. Lubbock, Texas, PNDC, into Amarillo, Texas, PNDC. The announcement includes links to the Survey Monkey forms for submitting comments. A future announcement will include the date of the public meeting. In each case, the Postal Service will eventually decide to move outgoing operations from the PNDC to the Regional Processing and Distribution Center and convert the remaining operations to a local processing center and perhaps later a sorting and delivery center. The one exception is South Charleston, West Virginia, PNDC, which may see some of its operations transfer to the RPDC in Pittsburgh, but also the Warrendale, Penwood Place, PNDC as well. At this point, consolidation reviews have been initiated for 29 processing centers. 18 of the reviews have proceeded to the stage where there's an estimate for cost savings and the number of positions eliminated. On average, each consolidation will eliminate about 22 craft and 2 management jobs and save about $3.5 million. Think about that. At that rate, there are eventually 190 such consolidations. That's the number of the LPCs that in the plan. The total cost savings would be about $665 million, with about 4,560 positions eliminated. Now, to be clear, a position being eliminated does not necessarily mean that there's a person eliminated. As we spoke about in our last video, they will offer lateral positions for equal pay or more if you're lucky. And there may be some that just have to find something. And if they don't find something, I believe within 2 years, then they're kind of forced to quit. This is what I'm reading. The Postal Service is sharing the MPFR notices and findings on this page. There is a link to this article in the video description, actually in the pinned comment. Now, if it's not there, you guys look for it. That's because YouTube removes links for whatever reason. I don't know why. You can also find them here, tab MPFR status. If you're looking for this article, it's in SaveThePostOffice.com. A list of the known RPDCs and LPCs and SNDCs and spoke offices is on the same page. There are more about the MPFR process here. And there's just a bunch of links where you can actually just click. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Again, this is what's going on in our every single day lives. Good thing, bad thing, indifferent thing, who knows? But once you create one of these processing centers, then there you got the local processing centers that also has the potential to close regular post offices. And that means that the actual carriers will end up having to relocate to a bigger facility, pretty much consolidate, as well as the managers, as well as the clerks, etc. And I mean, not just clerks, they have the cleaning people as well. So take that for what it's worth. I don't know what it actually means at this point, but if anybody has any information or has heard any information, just share it in the comment section. We're all for it. We are all for it. With that being said, this is JH with a very short video this time. And you guys have yourself a great rest of your day. And we out.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.